Hey, if you are wondering if you can use Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 without your phone, so pair it and then leave your phone in the home and then go outside and use the device, yes, for sure we can do this. And if you've got LTE version where you can activate the eSIM, you can get full advantage of this device. So you can receive the phone calls, text messages, you can make the phone calls through this device. You can also use mobile data. So for example, you can use browser, which is actually available after downloading. So it should be available somewhere here. This Samsung browser. Okay, if you cannot find it for some reason, then you can go into the Google Play Store, and over here you can just open the Samsung browser. So you can even use Google search. For sure, you can still track your activities by going to the Samsung Health, which is available here in the app screen. There's built-in GPS, so you can actually get the specific workout map. A lot of different workouts, exercise that you can actually use. Also, you can create your own. So one more time, yes, for sure you can use this device without your phone. You can just connect and then leave your phone in your house and only take outside your watch.